Watch this shit. Hello world, and welcome back to Puppy Picks, Round 2, Week 4. This is the final weekend of Round 2, which means we're getting closer to finding out who's gonna be at finals night. As it stands, the Puppies have picked C-Rob's team 14 times over Mike Mo's team 7 times. Whoa, man, that's like double, dude. Is it a coincidence, or is C-Rob's team that much better? First up, Bear will be picking between Cody Cepeda and Chris Joslin, both on Team C-Rob. He chooses Cody. Next up, we have the highly anticipated match between Mike Mo and Malto. Who do you got, Bear? He chooses Malto from Team C-Rob. Another C-Rob sweep. Tune in this weekend to see if Bear's predictions hold up. There's no one watching this, right?